I assume seniors. If free and run, and I am ponsa a trending. Now this time, no one and the cam. And I'm saying ni din a trendy near the amount for body din no more Buckets Ben Sports. And the cam and so Akoyano. You know, any man became one of the outspoken sports journalists or no fire houses here. Now concerning a dear amount for body this canana and ponsa or kakotoko losing streak baby inka enkoso any ade. Ena Andy Kem nso a fire ye nti e ko fire sa no na ma say uko Twitter especially any Facebook masa enye bete kura na chese akoye clash pa Andy sempoti a o kan ya ama nana amponsa nkofo ni BF buafu no me de brew ewufia e wa ha me pa cho nti unsubscribe ya na wa hit the red subscribe button na wa ba do ma no so na ya build it together information there e bi wo wi ase pa na yenko yenim kotoko ya asemu otumfo ka asem bi o se yen support club no ni enja individuals na amponsa obeye ne chefa okọ but still na ene kotoko lusu a na nkofo bi ahyase pull strings eno na Andikem say we've had enough of Nanaya Amponsa this Nanaya Amponsa that Nanaya Amponsa ewo Moldova sa opese support na koho na ko support no e na o say an analysis no chem say Nanaya Amponsa 3 years obe spend e no G League ba akopɛ FA Cup kra wantimi anje bi Africa obo ye nyina first round e no free enti Nanaya Amponsa enye standard for measurement of success enti de bia manfo di tu yasum coach say Nanaya Amponsa ne nsem o kan no de mame emputo we ma o say we've had enough of the Nanaya Amponsa that and this he's not a standard. If you want to support him, go to Moldova and the camp. So and the camp point no. So and the person chemu say Nanaya Amponsa this Nanaya Amponsa that kotokofo ya bremo na okawie no some kotoko fans a omoye Nanaya Amponsa supporters ena omubuofu a omu ehoro no e Twitter and Facebook ena na akofa nsem mebraba okọ ntintamfidie no so a Nanaya Amponsa ene Andikem trend no me asem we mintimi nkabi say the Andikem kan no because me ko kabi sisia me o senior citizens wa meka say wugina ha etifo afo we dey metoma mo. It is time say you betwa Nanaya Amponsa nsensem so near focus on your club. Another time bia na yetwe Nanaya Amponsa isi ebem emwa club no tira kotoko any Dreams FC. That's the most important game. Sa home yentima sha wan hwe away kura na yebekwa akose. Inti yen concentrate on that.